Nice cast, Colton. I went to the floating frog, guys. White little floating frog, or floating rat, looks like a rat. Never really caught a lot of fish on these floating things, but hoping to change that tonight. Fish on. Got him, baby. On the frog. That's a good one, too. Dude, he's choked it. He choked it. There you go, guys. On a froggy. I mean, it looks like a rat. Doesn't this not look like a rat to you? Yeah. Well, there you guys. I've only caught a limited amount of fish on these things. But the third or fourth cast with it. I caught a fish, so let's see if we can keep catching fish on it. Alright guys, let me put the frog down for a second and go to this flipping rig. I know it's a little cool out to be flipping, but who knows. I did. I got the hook set so I can just split it. Here, guys. I just caught this fish flipping on the old little bug by Missile Baits. Nice little color. Got that black and red. Looks like a crawfish. Kyle just hooked into a fish himself. Nice fish. So that makes two. See you, bud. Alright guys, so I just got to this calmer water. You gotta weed. So I'm gonna go back to this frog. That was a terrible cast. Make a couple casts of this thing and then I'm gonna shoot my rattle trap straight out here. Cause before there was a lot of people breaking off out here, especially me, and I've seen people come swim out here, so there must be like a brush pile down there or something. And hopefully I can hook up on them. Rattle trap, where's the rattle? This culvert's right here, so it'll be like right out here. It'll be like right out here. Let's see if we can hook up on a fish out here, brother. Nothing. Froggy. Oh, you seen that? Little guy hit it. He pulled off. He pulled off. That was a good one, dude. That was a good one, bro. Oh my God, how did he pull off? You see how hard I sent that hook in him? There he is. Got him that time. That's a different fish. Yeah, you're a lot different of a fish. Dang it. Oh, there's another one on the frog, guys. Bite's starting to come alive. Alrighty guys, well, my main camera, I took my SD card. Got him. Well, that's a better one. My main camera, SD card is in my car. I forgot to put it back in. Oh, I was almost stumbled. Well, I forgot to put it back in last night when I was editing. That's a good one. And so yeah, it's in the car, so I can't use that camera no more, but I can use the GoPro, and I just hooked into this nice 2-pounder on the frog. Kyle actually saw him hit it, and he just missed one too right there. Got him? Heck yeah, he came back for it. So Kyle's hooked up on the old froggy. Who's this bigger? That's a good one. Can I get a picture?
A picture?
Well, because I haven't got a picture here. Here he is. Missed it. There you. God, that's why I hate frogging sometimes, because they don't eat it all the way, and you set the hook, that thing comes flying. Your tails are really long. I don't care if you cast over me. I'm using braid. Are you using braid or mono?
Braid.
Yes. Got that one on film. That's a good. Oh, dude, that's a big one, bro. I can't really move my line. That's about a 3.5, 4-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. That's. Don't lose him. Caught us hooked up into a giant. Yeah, that's the biggest fish we've. It's about 4, or it's 3.5, 4. Very nice fish. Let me see that. That's a good one. That's about 3.5. You think 4? You don't want a picture? So there are giants in here. I was getting doubtful. He didn't look that big when he hit it. That's the thing about frogging. Sometimes when they hit it, you don't know how big they are. Got him. Little guy hit the frog. Oh, I love it, dude. Love it.
Did you get my hooks in on film?
Yeah, I got the fish eating it and everything. The artificials rip so much, you know? Oh. Yeah, he just took it under, dude, and I was like, trying to like pull my line tight to make sure you see if he is there. See, bud. It's a cheap one.
He's got really good hooks on him, though. They got tripod hooks.
Them floating frogs, though, they usually give you good hooks. Dang it, you took my spot. Got him. Didn't even, dude, they're not even, oh my, again? Seriously?
Get some better hooks, dog.
Well, look how worn out this thing is. I thought you just had a fish at yours.
Oh, what's that like again?
Do you?
I mean, we don't got that much time left, and that's like the comp that we caught him on.
Yeah. Run to that corner in front of that old people house?
Yeah. Tall motor or main motor?
Main motor, what? You never make it over there. Here we go.
Texted us.
What'd he say?
He said, please always open shop doors fully, okay? You should be strong enough to get it all the way up without having a slam.
Oh, he said it to me. He probably hit his, hey, text him. Did you hit your head again? I'm gonna text him back.
Maybe you shouldn't be so tall.
All right, it's getting dark. Go purple, I can't see that well now. They'll hear it though. I got some good film, dude. I love this frog bite. I'm gonna have to come out here tomorrow and tease you. I'll send you a Snapchat. That should be my fish, but you know. Kyle's fishing the front of the boat. That's another good one, dude. Want a picture? Or you just want to keep fishing? So you're hooking that 8-pounder. Oh, that reed just moved. It's about to get prime time, boys. That was a big river monster is what that was. that your dad?
Yeah.